Very good morning, guys. Heading out for a ride to Sakleshpur for the weekend. Yep, so there was a swimming pool. We had a lot of fun there because it was raining, and in the rain the swimming pool feels nice and warm. We had some good fun for at least 2.5 hours. It's gonna be a fun ride, but of course, yes, we have to be very cautious. Nice it was. Let's warm up the motorcycle. I've got a new pair of fog lamps, so I'm going to test them out today. Currently it's on just the low beam of the motorcycle, and then I have the low beam from the auxiliary lamps, and this is the high beam from the auxiliary lamps. Let's get going. It's a little dark here. Let's test the fog lamp here. Yeah, this is the stock headlamp with the auxiliary lights off. This is the low beam from the fog lamp. So here's an adjustment as well. This is at the lower setting, and I can increase the brightness. And then I have the high beam from the fog lamp. Pretty bright, good enough for me to do really long distances in the night. These are Lubo L11 fog lamps. Yeah, I can confidently ride even with my smoked visor on in the night. There's traffic even at 5:30 a.m. I mean, it's moving traffic anyway. But yeah, it's a weekend, so everybody is heading out. Good speeds confidently even in the night, because I'm somebody who's not very confident in riding at higher speeds in the night. I've become very cautious. Somehow it's been that way in my head. I get really cautious in the night when I'm not able to have a clear view. See, all this while I've been riding super sports motorcycles, so you can't really add auxiliary lamps on them. So with this, I'm sorted. The exhaust note is such a music to the ears. Inline 4 symphony from the Akrapovic full system. Walaikum Assalam.
The hand was fallen on
Oh.
because of that. No, I just fell flat.
Oh my God. How did this happen?
Climbing down the stairs, okay, it was raining. The stairs were wet. Last step was there, I slipped there. I fell flat on the floor.
Shit.
So I got it here, and my hands are like, no, this.
Crazy.
So that's the reason I got pulled, because I can sit upright on it. I don't have to twist that much.
Okay.
See, I have to just walk on.
Yeah. Cool.
But I'm good on this.
Yeah.
I ride like constant.
Yeah.
Ali पे नहीं आनी अभी तक?
नहीं. At a point the boys are here. We're just heading out now. Riding with the BBRG group to Sakleshpur. Bikers are heading out for the weekend ride. Many groups were there actually. I missed the restaurant, I missed the breakfast point, went ahead, heading back now. I went to the next toll and came.
You are hitting speeds there.
No, I did not see Vaishali. I saw that Kalinga. I saw Kalinga. I'm like, okay, Vaishali is still not come. I went ahead.
निकलने लगा था, मैप ने बोला टर्न लेफ्ट. मैप बोल रहा है टर्न लेफ्ट. देख रहा हूँ ये हाईवे ढाबा दिख रहा है.
Many minutes later. morning.
Just heading out from our homestay at Sakleshpur. We were staying at the Rainbird homestay. It's budget friendly homestay. It's got a swimming pool and it's been raining day and night. So yeah, it's gonna be a rain ride for us now, proper monsoon ride. We're all geared up in our rain gear. Puddles of water everywhere. But yeah, we are prepared with our rain gear. Doesn't matter if the cars and buses are gonna splash water on us. It's gonna be a fun ride, but of course, yes, we have to be very cautious. Whew. Heading back to Bangalore now. It was a good fun time that we had here. Yep, so there was a swimming pool. We had a lot of fun there because it was raining, and in the rain the swimming pool feels nice and warm. We had some good fun for at least 2.5 hours. We played in the pool yesterday, and again today morning we were in the pool. Yeah, it's a nice thing to be with like-minded bikers, spend time with them, chit-chat with them on all the things that we love. I'm riding with this group for the first time. I'm meeting most of them for the first time. But what brings us all together is the passion that we have, the brotherhood that we have. Like, even if we are meeting each other for the first time, the kind of comfort level we would have with everybody is like we know each other from a while. I don't know, we're still waiting for one of our friends to arrive. We were initially 8 of us, but 2 of them had to leave early. Harpreet on his Ninja 1000, Jaspreet on the Duke 390, and Shubham on his Ninja 300. What did you say?
I'm saying you have map, right?
It's on, yes, it's on, but I'm kept my phone inside.
So I'm following. Go to
Yeah. So yeah, let's get going. Yep, all the riders are here. Oh, the scene is so beautiful here. It's really nice to ride in between the lush green scenery in the monsoons. I mean, monsoon came early this time around. Yes, I have the pin lock, so having a good view. Pin lock and other anti-fog films are very essential during monsoons to have a good view. Otherwise, your visor is gonna get fogged up. So if you're buying a helmet, ensure that it has the pin lock or a provision to put pin lock at least. Wow, this is so much fun riding through the rain. Inline 4 Symphony through the beautiful lush green scenery. It feels so good. Stopped for a quick break. That's our Simran on the Ninja 1000. Weather is nice and cool, nice breeze. after taking off the rain liner. Slightly further we have the our Simran is in flying mode now. Let's catch up. There's heavy crosswinds. Nice. I got this all recorded. It was good.